Hello everyone, for today's video, let's try to solve the problem number 3 involving Newton's laws. A 70 kilogram box is slid along the floor by a 400 Newton force as shown. The coefficient of friction between the box and the floor is 0.5 when the box is sliding. Find the acceleration of the box. Okay, so una, syempre, kukumpletuhin muna natin yung given. So una, meron daw syempre may friction tong surface, no? Meron siyang mu is equal to 0.5. So now, let's write the given. So syempre meron tayong mu is equal to 0.5. The mass of the box which is equal to 70 kilograms and the force exerted on the box is 40 newtons. Ang hinahanap ay acceleration. Okay? So, find the acceleration. Find A. Okay, so to solve this problem, let's write. So, redraw muna natin yung problem, no? Okay, so halimbawa, yan yung problem. Then, meron diyang 400 newtons. Then, syempre, meron ditong frictional force. Okay, syempre, meron din diyang normal force. Then, weight. Okay, so let's try to write the free body diagram of the problem para mas madali. Anong meaning ng free body diagram? So, pick a point kung saan lahat ng vectors is acting on that point. So, ibig sabihin, let's try to pick this point, center of mass, kung saan dito merong 400 Newton force. Then, meron din diyang normal force. Then, meron din diyang weight. Then, syempre, merong kumukontrang force that is the frictional force. Okay, so to find the acceleration of the box, no, alam naman nating ang box na to ay hindi umaangat or bumababa. Ang movement lang ng box is sa x-axis. Okay, so kailangan muna nating gawin is to solve for the summation of forces along y. Summation of forces along y is 0. Y again dahil wala siyang movement or motion sa y, no? Hindi siya up, wala siyang down. Kaya 0. Okay, so that will give us lahat ng paangat minus lahat ng pababa is equal to 0. Or that will give us Fn minus weight is equal to 0. Thus, our normal force pala is given by the weight. Okay? So now, we can find the normal force is equal to weight or that is mass times gravity. Okay, so, anong mass natin? That is 70 kilograms multiplied by the gravitational acceleration 9.81 meters per second squared. Thus, we have the normal force is equal to 686.7 newtons. Okay? So, now, let's try to solve the summation of forces along x naman is equal to mass times acceleration along x. Okay? Take note, may components ang force sa y and sa x dahil vector siya. So, ganun din ang acceleration. Meron siyang component sa x and sa y. Pero since wala nga siyang movement sa y, 0 siya. Okay? So, now, to find the acceleration along x, kailangan muna nating alamin yung summation of forces along x. So, to find the summation of forces along x, we have lahat ng pakanan, ibawas mo sa lahat ng pakaliwa. Okay? So, now, ang lahat ng pakanan dito ay yung force. Okay? So, that is 400 newtons minus the frictional force dahil siya lang naman yung kumukontra sa motion. So that is minus frictional force. But wait, to find the frictional force, recall that we have the formula. Frictional force is given by the coefficient of friction multiplied by the normal force. Thus, this equation can become summation of forces along x is equal to 400 newtons minus 0.5 multiplied by the normal force, 686.7 newtons. So, meron tayong summation of forces along x is equal to, that is 56.65 newtons. So now, ilagay natin yan sa equation na to. So meron tayong summation of forces along x is equal to mass times acceleration along x. So to find the acceleration along x, so divide natin siya both sides by m, no? So finally, the acceleration along x is given by the summation of forces along x divided by the mass, or that is 56.65 newtons divided by anong mass? 70 kilograms. Or that will give us the acceleration in x component is equal to 0.81 meters per second squared. So thus, this is the final answer for letter, or that is for the acceleration. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan for this video. Thank you for watching.